Do you wish your skin could stay young, soft, and glowing forever? But no matter how many creams or treatments you try, nothing seems to work? Today, I'll show you the natural foods that fix your biggest skin problems from the inside out. Number 1. Dull and lifeless skin. When dead skin cells build up, your face starts to look tired and faded. Solution: eat foods rich in vitamin C. They brighten your skin and help new cells grow. Lemon works like a natural bleach for your skin. It deeply cleanses pores, removes oil, and lightens dark spots, giving you a cleaner, fresher look. Orange, full of vitamin C and antioxidants that fight dullness, improve skin tone, and bring out a natural healthy glow. Pomegranate improves blood circulation, boosts oxygen supply to skin cells, and makes your skin look naturally rosy and fresh. Kiwi contains vitamin E and polyphenols that fight free radicals, keeping your skin hydrated and preventing early signs of aging. Strawberries contain alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, that gently exfoliate your skin and remove dead cells, making your face smoother and brighter. These fruits together make your skin radiant and healthy from within. Number 2. Dry and tight skin. Lack of moisture and natural oils makes your skin rough and flaky. Solution: add omega-3 rich foods. They help your skin retain moisture and stay soft. Avocado, loaded with healthy fats and vitamin E that nourish your skin deeply and create a natural barrier to lock in moisture. Walnuts, rich in omega-3, fatty acids and zinc, they help strengthen your skin's outer layer and prevent dryness. Salmon contains essential fatty acids that improve skin elasticity and make it smooth from within. Chia seeds absorb water and hydrate your body at a cellular level, keeping your skin soft, plump, and elastic all day long. These foods make your skin feel hydrated, supple, and healthy all day long. Number 3. Wrinkles and loose skin. As we age, our collagen levels drop, making the skin loose and wrinkled. Solution: eat protein-rich foods. They rebuild collagen and firm your skin naturally. Eggs, packed with amino acids and biotin that strengthen the skin structure, tighten pores, and smooth fine lines. Chicken provides high-quality protein that boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Lentils, a plant-based protein rich in iron and folate that help regenerate new skin cells and maintain elasticity. Bone broth, naturally high in collagen, gelatin, and minerals that deeply repair skin tissues and slow down signs of aging. Include these foods to keep your skin smooth and wrinkle-free for longer. Number 4. Dark spots and uneven skin. Toned sun exposure, pollution, and hormonal changes can cause pigmentation and dullness. Solution: eat antioxidant-rich foods. They repair damaged skin and even out your tone. Tomato contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from UV rays and reduces tanning and dark spots. Green tea, rich in catechins that reduce inflammation, detoxify your skin, and make it appear clear and calm. Cucumber, hydrating and cooling. It soothes redness, reduces puffiness, and keeps your skin soft and refreshed. Turmeric, loaded with curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory that fights dark spots and gives your face a golden glow. Spinach, full of vitamins A and C that help repair damaged skin cells and keep your skin protected from environmental toxins. These foods keep your skin clear, balanced, and glowing naturally. If you truly want glowing, healthy skin, start adding these foods to your daily meals from today. They don't just work temporarily, they heal your skin from within. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health tips.